Good evening, sir. My name is Darwin Plazos. I will discussing sa- sailing direction. Sailing direction are essential nautical publications that provide comprehensive information to support safe navigation, particularly during coastal passage and port approaches. They complement nautical charts by offering detailed description of coastal features, navigational hazard, facilities. Number 1. Enhance situational awareness. Signing direction of mariners detailed information about coastal geography, include description of landmark, water, water depth, tidal patterns, and prevailing currents. This information is in identify position and making informed navigational discussion. Number 2. Port entry guidance. This publication provides specific on port approaches, including recommended routes, uncovered areas, pilotage requirements, and available service. Such details are crucial for planning safe and efficient port entries and departures. Number 3. Supplement to charts. While nautical charts depict the physical layout of coastline and sea areas, sailing direction offer narrative description that explain the significance of charts, feature potential hazard, and local maritime practice. Number 4. Regulatory compliance. For vessels operating under the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, carrying up to date sailing direction of often are requirements, ensuring the ship have access to current navigational information. Ang sailing direction o direksyon sa paglakbay ay tumutukoy sa landas o rota ng isang barko habang naglalakbay. Kadalasan ay nakadepende sa hangin at mga alon ng tubig. Kasama rin dito ang impormasyon tungkol sa lugar tulad ng mga peligro, mga alon at lagay ng panahon na mahalaga para sa pagpaplano at kaligtasan. Ito ay mahalaga impormasyon para sa mga naglalakbay sa dagat, gaya ng mga mananakop, dahil tinutulungan nito sila na mag-navigate ng ligtas at nakarating sa kanilang patutunguhan. At yun lang po at maraming salamat po, sir. Magandang gabi din. Bye-bye.